Imagine this, you're sitting at a bustling restaurant with a group of friends, enjoying a delicious meal. The bill arrives, and everyone starts fumbling for their wallets. Have you ever wondered how to split the bill efficiently and accurately, especially when using a POS system like TouchBistro? Well, today we're going to dive into that very question and learn how to make splitting bills on TouchBistro a breeze. Ever been in a situation where the bill arrives, and everyone's eyes glaze over, trying to figure out who owes what? It's a common occurrence, but it doesn't have to be a stressful one. TouchBistro offers a simple and effective way to split bills, ensuring everyone pays their fair share. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand why splitting bills efficiently is important. For one, it ensures that everyone contributes their fair share, avoiding any misunderstandings or hard feelings. It also saves time and hassle, especially when dealing with large groups or complex orders. Understanding the basics. The first step in splitting a bill on TouchBistro is to understand the basic concepts. You'll need to be familiar with the terms check, payment, and tip. A check is essentially the bill for your table. A payment is the amount of money tendered to pay the bill. And a tip is an additional amount given to the server as a gratuity. Creating a check. To split a bill, you'll need to create a check in TouchBistro. This is typically done by the server or manager. Once the check is created, you can start adding items to it. Adding items to the check. As customers order items, the server will add them to the check. This includes food, drinks, and any applicable taxes or fees. Splitting the check. Now comes the fun part. Splitting the check. TouchBistro offers a few different options for splitting bills. Option 1. Equal split. The simplest way to split a bill is to divide the total amount equally among all diners. This is ideal for groups of friends or colleagues who want to share the cost evenly. Option 2. Custom split. If you want more control over how the bill is split, you can use the custom split option. This allows you to assign specific items or amounts to individual diners. For example, if one person ordered an appetizer and a main course, you can assign those items to their portion of the bill. Option 3. Percentage split. Another option is to split the bill based on percentages. This is useful for situations where people want to contribute different amounts based on their income or appetite. Adding tips. Once you've determined how to split the bill, you can add tips. TouchBistro allows you to add a tip for the entire check or for individual diners. Processing payments. After splitting the bill and adding tips, it's time to process payments. Customers can pay using cash, credit cards, or other payment methods supported by TouchBistro. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks to make splitting bills on TouchBistro even easier. Use the quick payment feature. This allows you to quickly process payments without having to enter the full amount each time. Create custom payment options. If you frequently have customers who pay using the same card or method, you can create custom payment options to speed up the process. Review the bill before paying. Always double-check the bill to ensure that everything is correct before paying. Be prepared to adjust the split. If someone forgets to order something or wants to change their portion of the bill, be prepared to make adjustments. Splitting bills on TouchBistro doesn't have to be a hassle. By following these simple steps and utilizing the features available in the software, you can ensure a smooth and efficient experience for everyone involved. So, the next time you're out with a group of friends and the bill arrives, don't stress. Remember the tips and tricks we've discussed today, and you'll be able to split the bill like a pro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.